To enable and use fingerprint always on feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprints. Enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Now tap the gray on off switch next to fingerprint always on until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how to use this feature, turn off the screen. Without turning on the screen, place the finger that you have registered before on the fingerprint scanner to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.